بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning to all students of The Educator. We are going to start another chapter of science. Chapter number 4, Classifying Material. The name of the chapter is Classifying Material. Let's see. Open your books at page number 40. Okay, the name of the chapter is showing that this chapter is about materials and their classification. When we go out from house, we see a lot of things. Even in your room, you are watching a lot of things. When we go outside the room, outside the house, so we observe a lot of things. There are a lot of buildings, there are a lot of schools, there are a lot of shopping plazas, even roads, houses, factories, a lot of things you observe. So my question is, do all the things are similar in their size, in their color? Obviously your answer will be no, because things are different. Things are different in their size, things are different in their shapes, things are different in their color, and things are different in their physical states. Things are different in their appearance. Why they are different? They are different because they are made up of different materials. Now, the question is, what is material? My question is, what is material? So, material is a thing with which something is going to build, something is going to make. So, what is material? Material is a thing with which different things are made up of. So, as materials are different, this is the reason that things are different. So, we will discuss that how the materials are different. Materials are different in their, as we have already said, that materials are different in their size, materials are different in their shape, and a lot of differences we have discussed right now. Now, we will see that different things are made up of different materials. That's why they are different. So, now we will discuss that how they are different. Some materials are soft while some materials are hard. Some materials are shiny while some materials are not shiny. Some materials are brittle, some materials are like dull. Some materials are they are different. Similarly, as they are different, materials are different, so the material with which the things is made up of, the properties will be the same as the material. For example, if one thing is made up of very soft material, like clay, clay is a soft material, so the things which are made up of clay, they will be soft. Like bricks, bricks are very hard, so the buildings, the walls are harder enough. Why? Because they are made up with the hard material. Now, if we see that paper has some things like board. It has a smooth surface. It has a smooth surface, while wall has a it is not smooth, it is rough surface. So some materials, the material which is rough and the thing which is made up with the rough material, this thing will be rough, while the thing which is made with this smooth material, this thing will be smooth. So this is the reason that the things are different in their size, things are different in their shape, things are different in their appearance, their color, because they are made up of different materials. Now, if the question comes that what is material, your answer will be at page number 40, second paragraph. A material is a substance that is used for making an object. What is the answer? The material is a substance that is used for making an object. So there are many kinds of material in the world. These material may be metal, it can be glass, it can be wood, it can be rubber, it can be cotton, it can be plastic, and there are a lot of other kinds of material. So the things are different. So because for example, if we talk about a paper, it is made up from the trees bark, so it is like that. And if we talk about a fabric, it is made up of cotton. That is why that it is soft, because cotton is soft. So if we talk about the hard card sheet, so it is hard because it is made up of hard material. So what do you mean by the properties? Properties, so let's explain the properties. A special feature of things, like how strong a material is or if heat pass through it, are called its properties. Properties means the features which are defining the things. For example, book, we talk about the book. This outer covering is hard, while the papers are not much harder as compared to the outer surface. So these are showing the properties. Like for example, if we talk about the jewelry, so the jewelry may be shiny, jewelry will be attractive. The things with which the jewelry is made up of, that must be attractive, and it may be shiny. So while choosing the material, it is necessary that what we are going to make. For example, if we are going to build a bridge, so what kind of material we will use? We will use very hard material, the things which will make the bridge harder. Why? Because the bridge has to take a lot of weight on it, so it must be very harder. So the hard material will be used for making the bridge. For example, if we are going to make the jewelry, so what kind of material we will use? We will use very attractive and shiny material. If we are going to make an aircraft, so what should be the property of material with which we are going to make the aircraft? That must be lighter, because it has to fly in the air. The material must be lighter. So this is the way we are going to choose the material. It depends on the properties. It depends on the properties of the thing which we are going to make. So these were the example: bridge, For bridge, we will use hard material. For jewelry, we will use attractive material. For aircrafts, we will use lighter material. So this is the way with which different things are made up of. This is the reason that different things are different, because they are made up of different materials. Let's come towards page number 41. How and why are material grouped? How and why are material grouped? Materials are grouped because if things will remain jumbled, we cannot recognize the thing. Things must be in order regarding the shape, regarding the size, regarding their properties, regarding their use. For example, if you go in the kitchen with your mom, so see and observe how your mom keep all the utensils after washing. While she is washing, the things are mixed. But now, when she has washed, she will keep the cups in one order, different glass at one place, different plates at one place, spoons at another place, big pots she will keep on another place. Why? Why she is going to separate these things? Why she is going to group these things? Because when she needs that particular thing, she will take, she knows that spoons are placed in this drawer or this cupboard. So she will only open that drawer where the spoons are placed. This is a simple example by which you can understand, or you just observe your divider or showcase how the different utensils are placed. You can observe your cupboard, your cupboard where books are placed. Books are placed in different orders, like clothes are placed in different orders. Clothes are placed in a cupboard, while dirty clothes, these are placed in a washing machine or at any other place. So why these things are different? Because if all the things are mixed up, so it will be very inconvenience for the people who are going to use the things. When we are going to pack the bag, your school bag, for example, you are going to pack your school bag. You will keep it according to the timetable, but you will keep your books at one place. You will keep all the notebooks or copies at one place. You keep all your stationery in the stationery box. Otherwise, you have a big bag, you can keep all the things. You don't need any stationery box or like something. So if the teacher said that open your Islamiyat book, so you will just see these are the books portion. You will just open that portion and you will take out your book. So you will feel convenience. So for the convenience, the things are grouped. Okay, let's see what is written in your book. Classification. Classification means grouping the things on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarity. If the things are similar, they will keep at one place. If the things are having other shape or other purpose, they will keep at another place. Let's see. See that picture. These are the jumbled items. Now they are placed. All the plates, all the glass, all the cups, all the spoons, they are placed at a separate place. Now see this. These are the jumbled things and these are the classified things. Now they are placed in proper way. The books are separated, pencils are separated, and these clips are separated, rubbers, scale. Now they are in order. So This is the reason that this should make you understand the different objects are classified on the base of their. Now, on which basis the things are classified? On which basis the things are classified? Things are classified on their size, things are classified on their color, things are classified on their shape, their use, and for convenience or other qualities. So, this is the reason why they are classified. On which basis they are classified? They are classified on the base of their size, on the base of their color, on the base of their shape, on the base of their use, on the base of their convenience. Yes. Now, if you will visit your school library, I'm going to explain what is library. Library is a place where there are a lot of books. These books are different from their syllabus books. These are related books. There may be the poetry books, there may be the Urdu poetry, there may be the dramas, there may be the novels, there may be the story books, there may be the religious books, there may be the historical books, there may be the scientific books. So these are different books which are placed in library. There are thousands of books are present in the library. So how the librarian keep the books? Librarian keep the books in a specific order. He or she will keep the historical books in one cupboard or one rack. All the scientific books will be placed at another place, and she will have a written order that in which cupboard which book is placed. So if you demand for the historical book, she will just go the place where the historical books are placed. If you will demand for a novel, she will go at the novel corner. So in the library are thousands of books, but she will not take much time to provide you the book which you are demanding for. Even she knows that how she has placed, in which order she has placed. So classification makes easier work. It is for the convenience of the people. Okay, so advantages. Let's see the advantages of the classification. It is important to note that number one, classification of the object help in their identification. Classification help in their identification. Second, classification help in the sorting of the object. As I have given you example, that sorting of object, like if you need the historical books, if you need the scientific book, Urdu novel, English novel, Urdu drama, English drama, or poetry, these will be separated by the librarian. Why? Because when these are demands for, she will take, within no time, she will provide you the book. So from the thousands of the book, she knows where the book is placed because she has kept the books in a perfect order. Okay, otherwise things get mixed up. So first advantage is that it helps their identification. Second, sorting the objects. Third, classification help in locating the things. Locating the things mean at exact place. It is only because of classification that you are able to locate a book that you need out of the thousands in your school library. Next, classification makes study of different objects easy. It makes the study of different objects easy and more meaningful rather than studying each object separately. So it helps to make the study of different objects in an easy way. we can study just one out of each of the class of different object and generalize our results for class as a whole. Next, classification helps to understand similarities and dissimilarities. Why classification is necessary? What is the advantage? Next advantage is that it helps to understand similarities and dissimilarity among the objects. Now, grouping the objects on the base of their similarities and dissimilarities known as classification. This is the definition of classification which is present at page number 42. Grouping the object on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities is called classification. Now, the types of material. Types of material, there are two types of material. Some are natural material, some are man-made material. Natural material. Natural material means the material which are naturally present. For example, water. Water is naturally present. Air is naturally present. Trees, these are naturally present. Like clay, sand, mountains, and a lot of things which are naturally occurring things. So these are the things which are natural material. The material with which these things are made up of, these materials are natural material. But if we talk about pencil, pen, is this a natural material? No, it is a man-made material. If we talk about the fabric, cotton is a natural material, but fiber, thread, and this like fabric, these are man-made material. So if I'm talking about the glasses of mine, these are man-made material. Although the natural materials are used to make different things like rubber, like plastic, like all other things which are made in different factories. These are called man-made material. Let's read from the book. Types of material. Material in general can be classified into two types: natural materials and man-made materials. The materials that occur in nature on their own are called natural material. Examples: trees, fruits, wool, cotton, water, sand. These are all natural materials. The material which do not occur in nature but are produced or made by man are called man-made material. Example, soap. Example, rayon. Rayon is a fiber, thread, plastic, etc. And there are a lot of other materials which we can see that these are man-made material. Different medicines, different shoes, different clothes, different all the material with which we construct the buildings. These are man-made material, but a lot of things are made by using the natural material. Man-made materials, some are made by different chemicals or different things, but most of the things which are man-made, these are made by natural materials. So here we are going to end the topic. Now come towards the homework. For your homework, open your books at page number 49. First of all, you will make a title page for chapter number 4, classifying material. You will make a title page, and after making the title page, you will come towards the assessment 2. Here is A part. See this. This is A part. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, here you will do question number 2. What do you mean by the properties of a material? What do you mean by the properties of the material? For this answer, you will take the help from page number 40. Now, come to the B part. This is answer the following question in 3 or 4 sentences. Here you will do differentiate between natural and man-made material. Right now I have explained you natural and man-made material. You will just differentiate between them. You will take help from page number 42, topic types of material. Now come towards C part. Write detailed answer to the following question. Draw diagrams wherever necessary, but the question which we have chosen, there is no need of diagram. Question number 3. Write 3 advantages of the classification. Here are 5 or 6 advantages, but you will write 3 advantages. You will take the help from page number 41. You will do a very neat and clean homework, and you will read. It's necessary to read the page number 40, page number 41 and page number 42. Read at least 2 or 3 times and then attempt the questions. Definitely you will find the proper answers for the question. Take care and Allah Hafiz till the next class.